Hello and welcome back. So today we'll be solving slot 3, set number 3. This was one of the easiest set. By this time, the response sheets are also out, so you must be able to see what sort of mistakes you have made, and you might be in a situation to decide whether you would want to give another attempt or you would want to move forward. In case you're looking at another attempt, then make sure you understand the sort of mistakes you have made this particular time and ensure you do not repeat them. Technically, this would be the best time where you should work around on your weaknesses and ensure that you do not repeat them the very next time. Cool. Moving forward, let's see what this set has to offer. In my opinion, this was one of the most easiest set out of the lot and should not have taken more than 5 or 7 odd minutes in the exam scenario. The AC in a large room can be operated either in regular or power mode to reduce the temperature. The AC operates in regular mode, then it brings down the temperature inside the room to the set temperature in 1 hour. It operates in power mode, then this is achieved in 30 minutes. Okay, so this statement states that if the outside temperature is 30 and in regular and power, if we have set the temperature as 24, in regular mode, it will be achieved in 1 hour at a constant rate, and in power mode, it will be achieved in 30 minutes. This is what they are saying. Now, what the next point states, the AC is switched off, then the temperature rises at a constant rate to reach the temperature outside at the time of switching off in 1 hour. So same way, if the outside temperature, let's say we reach the optimum temperature of 24 in both the cases, and we have switched off the AC, assuming that the outside temperature is still 30, it will take 1 hour in both the cases to reach the normal temperature, which is 30 inside the room. This is what they have said till now. Very clear. The temperature outside has been falling from 7 p.m. until 3 a.m. one particular night. The graph shows the temperature between 11 at that night. Let's see what the graph has to offer. Graph states inside, basically it's showing the room temperature. Now the AC was first turned on for the first time that night at 11 p.m. Okay. The AC setting was changed at the beginning or after 30 minutes. Okay, the AC was used in power mode for longer duration than in regular mode during this 3 hours. Cool. Now, so what we know is point पे AC start हुआ. Means 38 is the outside temperature. 38 degree is the outside temperature, that is confirmed. And it cooled a lot. Then for the first time, the AC was turned off here. That is why the temperature increased from 26 to 31. Then again it was turned on. So that is why it reduced to again 26, then again increased to 30, and then again switched on, and then it reduced to 28. Cool. No. So this means AC was on for this 1 hour, AC was on for this 30 minutes, and then again AC was on for this 30 minutes. So the total operation time of AC is 2 hours. This is what we know. And the other thing that we know is the AC was used in power mode for longer duration than in regular mode during this 3 hour period. So out of 3 hours, only 2 hours the AC is operational, and we can only change the temperature either at hour or 30 minutes. So it can be 30, 60, 90, 120. We could have changed it in such a way that either we have changed the temperature here, here, here. This is the only possibility that we have. And let's say if we break this 2 hour into 4 slots of 30 minutes each, then this is for sure Because let's say the first temperature change was made here, second was made here, third was made here, or maybe we could not have made a change here. So this is the only possible situation. And इसमें हमें ये क्लियर दिया हुआ है कि पावर मोड ज्यादा ड्यूरेशन के लिए यूज हुआ था. तो if power has been used for 1.5 hours, then regular has been used for 30, power for 1 hour, regular for 1 hour. This case is not possible, so the only possible case is power for 1 hour, regular for 30 minutes. Now where do you put in regular? So in my opinion, regular would have been started either here, since the drop rate, if you see 38 to 26 is 12, 12, and at 11:30 it's 32, so that means 6 degree. So even if it would have run at regular, it would have achieved the optimum temperature in 1 hour. So either it have been started here for the first 30 minutes or for the next 30 minutes. Then power for sure is here, power for sure is here. This is what we know. Let's see what the questions are offering us. How many times the AC must have been turned off between 11:01 and 11:59 a.m. So basically they are asking how many times AC has been turned off, which is 2. First time the AC was turned off here, second time the AC was turned off here, so 2 is the answer. What's the temperature outside in degrees at 1 a.m.? Cool. Now let's see what's the temperature outside at 1 a.m. So at 1 a.m. the AC was turned off. Means AC band ho gaya. Now as per this condition, the temperature would rise at a constant rate. So at in 30 minutes, the temperature increased from 26 to 34 degrees in 30 minutes. So that means it will increase by 4 more degrees in the next 30 minutes. Yes. So it has achieved a temperature of 34 degrees as per the outside temperature at 1 a.m. Why? Because of this condition, rises at a constant rate so as to reach the temperature outside at the time of switching off. So at the time of switching off, I'll highlight it again. Switching off is the keyword here. It was switched off here, so it will reach 34 at 2 a.m., but the temperature would be of 1 a.m. 34, 38 is the temperature here. Okay, so the outside temperature at 1 a.m. is 34 degrees. Temperature outside in degrees Celsius at 9 p.m. So in 2 hours, 11 to 1, it has fallen by 4 degrees. So that means 2 degrees per hour is the rate at which the temperature is falling. So this means if at 11, 12, 1, it is 34, 36, 38, and temperature is falling at a constant rate from 7 p.m. till 3 a.m. 10, 9, 40, 42. The answer would be 42, 34. At the time the AC must have been either turned on or the AC temperature settings have been altered between 11 to 1:59 p.m. So they have said 11, 1 to 1:59. This is what they are asking, how many times the AC has been turned on or the settings has been changed. So the very first time settings have been changed here. The second time the AC was turned on here. The third time the AC was turned on here. This is what we know. This switch on would not be considered since the time is 11:01 p.m. and this was switched on at 11 p.m. So if you would have not taken this time thing very carefully, you would have marked more than 3, but the answer is exactly 3. What was the maximum difference between temperature outside and inside in degrees Celsius between 11:01 and 1:59 a.m.? So the temperature here was 38, here was 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32. So if we see the difference, this would be 3, this would be 10, this would be 5, 10, 35 to 31, 4. I guess the answer would be 10, only 8. Yes, the answer looks like 10. This is the answer, 10. Frankly, one of the easiest sets. The only thing required was to understand the time complexities and how you would have run the situation in. Let me clear this up to make you understand better. Yep. So how you would have used this situation to understand the AC running time was 2 hours and not 3 hours. And the question in then after that situation was plain and simple. Tomorrow we'll be solving the next set of this particular slot that was on GDP. So in case you struggle with that particular question, try to solve it once again and do watch out on my channel for the next solution. In case you're liking the solutions, please share and subscribe to this particular channel, and we'll make sure you get daily practice questions as well on the community page from now onwards. Thank you.